Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have OPPO Reno15 Pro. In this video I want to show you how to set up fingerprint and face unlock on this device. Let's first of all set up face unlock. To do that you want to open settings. Now let's scroll down to section security and privacy, scroll to device unlock. Now let's tap face and fingerprint unlock and let's go to face. Now, if you haven't set a lock screen password yet, you'll be prompted to create your password firstly as a backup. But if you have that lock screen password, then you want to enter it. And now let's press Add Now button. So now we want to position your face within the on-screen circle or square. Let's scan my face and let's press Done button at the bottom side of the screen, and this is my face unlock. Additionally, I can customize some settings, so I can use my face unlock for app lock, for hiding applications, for data protection. Okay, let's go back and let's tap on fingerprint. Let's press Agree button, again enter your lock screen password, and let's press Add Now button, and now you're gonna place your finger on the fingerprint icon on the screen right here, and you want to lift and repeat, adjusting the angle of your finger every single time to capture the edges of your finger. So try to do it from different angles. You can tap Done button if you want to finish, or you can add another fingerprint, but I will simply tap Done button, and additionally I can rename it. I don't know, if multiple people use your phone, you can write here their names. So, and additionally you can use fingerprint for, and here are those settings. So that is basically it. I really hope that this video helps you. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.